Little hook hand man walking around with a hook hand, hook hand, hook hand. My hand, it's a little hook, but it's awesome. Yeah, hook hand.
Slim Jim! Not Slim Jim! Peanuts! 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 Peanuts!
Dave, James, what are you doing?
I'm just holding for a friend. I swear they're not mine. I swear.
What have we all told you?
There's nothing wrong with me.
You have a problem.
I never wanted you to see me like
taking
this.
these away.
No, they're not mine. They're not mine. They're not mine. They're not mine.
Why? Why isn't there anyone that poops candy? All my life, I've been searching for that one perfect soulmate whose poop is candy. Where will I find one person like that?
I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love. What am I without you? I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong.
Hey! Hey, wait! Hey. Who are you? I think I love you.
What? Really? You love me?
Yes.
Why?
Because you poop candy. And by you,
Why?
I mean your candy poops.
What?
Finally. Yes. Just going to wash my hand. Wash my hand with my tiny hook hand. Oh no.
Here in my car, I feel safest of all. I can lock all my doors. It's the only way to live in cars. Here in my car, I can only receive. I can listen to you. In case you stay before I die in cars.
Holding for a friend.
Hey, James.
Here in my car, where the image is down. Will you visit me, please? If I open my door in cars. Here in my car, I know I've started to think about leaving tonight. Although nothing seems right in cars.
Hey. Now I'm thinking about when I